It's an exciting day. Not because it's cold. My wife surprised me with an awesome birthday gift. Ultra-fab power landing gear for the trailer. So there's one leg. And here's the brackets. There's several of those. It came with these toggle switches, all the wiring. So let's go out and look at the trailer. I got the bottom section of diamond plate taken off. And let's go see what we got to do to get these things on. So there's the diamond plate that was removed. So we've got a few welds in here. At the back of that I've got to cut out. And then on this side, of course, same thing. I've got these braces in the way. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to cut these out, remove them. They aren't structural. They're just really just there to hold that diamond plate to make this little storage area in the front. So I'll probably end up cutting these out if I can't get to it with the grinder. And then there's a bar. Not sure if you can see it from here. Yeah, the bar right there. It runs all the way across over to the handle. And I just need to get that off too. I'm not really sure how to do that yet, but we'll figure it out.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes, late night shows. Boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far.
Okay, I got both legs on. I welded both brackets on each side. Now I got to start working on the wiring. Last night I messed around with putting the toggle switch on. So this is for the right side. They came with little boxes, but it would make it sit way out off of the diamond plate. I just didn't like the look of that, so I drilled a hole the size of the toggle switch and then took the cover off. This little weatherproof cover comes off, and then I screwed it back on. Just stuck the toggle switch through. So on the back side you have a black and red wire that come off, and those go to the leg. And the green is ground and the white is a power wire. But I have to get my battery remounted, and then I can start working on getting all the wiring in. So, guess I'll get started on that.
Take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane.
Got everything wired back up. Battery tray moved up. You can see the motor sits a little higher than it did before, than the old one did. No big deal. Just moved the tray up. Mounted the batteries, got my DC to DC converter back in, added this bus bar for the power wires. I ran the wire for the other leg all the way across, and it's over there. Got to get that buttoned up a little better. Overall though, everything's connected, so let's see how it works. Here's the toggle switches. I'll have to tighten those up a little bit. I had heard that electric legs are pretty slow, and that's no joke. They are. But they move, and I'm not out of breath like I would be when I was cranking that thing around by myself. Press them down to lift up. Okay. Are we off the, oh yeah, we're way off the jack stands. Okay, I can take the jack stands out. there we have it. It's holding itself up. My crazy welds aren't broken. Haven't heard anything pop yet. That's exciting. What's more exciting is I don't have to use this thing anymore. That is awesome. I think I'm gonna make a modification up here, make a bigger door. The best part about all this, I don't have this bar anymore running through. I'm considering making some shelves in here. Maybe we can store a few more things. I don't know, we'll see. I am really pumped about this though.
Don't you want to please? Baby, go on. Tell me where you want to go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Getting late. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, well we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track. Come on, ride this thing.
Let's see if this works. Nice. A little bit of play there. That's all right. So one thing you may be wondering is why in the world would I open it up from the bottom, or put the hinges on the bottom, let it open up and just hang there? And before we had two doors here, they opened up, the hinges were at the top, and they were a pain. I tried to come up with a magnet system to hold them up here to the frame. They were too heavy for that. I thought about putting hooks up here to hook onto the door. I didn't really want hooks hanging everywhere, so I decided to put the hinge on the bottom, let it fold down. You got plenty of room to stand here and get to whatever you need to. So I bought these cheap hooks from Home Depot. Hopefully they're going to work out okay to hold our extension cord and our water hose and all kinds of stuff.
I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track. Come on, ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now. Don't think twice. Hey, don't you want to play? I said, hey, don't you want to play?
Okay, got another piece of trim here on the bottom. It came up top. I added a few extra pieces of tubing for support. This one's got holes all in it, but whatever, it works. Nice and solid now. I went around the edge with a grinder just to try to knock down the edges a little bit so they wouldn't be so sharp. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. These legs are going to be great. Pretty excited about using them. If you guys have any questions about the install, leave them down in the comments below. Really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.